Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video is a beginner's makeup look. You can carry this look with a pretty outfit for your daytime party look or with a simple outfit for your everyday makeup look. So you can carry it both the ways, just according to your choice. And this video is a little longer because I have did a detailed video, a little bit of detailing, not a very detailing, but if you want you can comment below, so I will do a detailed video for any particular section. So let's start the video, but do subscribe to my channel. I post reviews, DIYs and tutorials, so you don't miss out any video. All the product details will be mentioned in the description box. You can check it out from there. So let's start. So as a primer, I am using Patanjali aloe vera gel. It is very light and it does the job of moisturization plus a primer. Because my skin is oily, I am not using very heavy primer as it is summers. So for foundation and sunscreen, I am using this Jovees skin tint. It is a mixture of both, so I don't need to apply two products, and this can do the work of sunscreen plus foundation. If you want a higher coverage, then you can go with any foundation of your choice, but I'm okay with this one, so I'm leaving it till this. For concealing my eyes, I'm using Olivia makeup stick. I will leave the shade number in the description box. This shade is exactly the match of my skin tone and it does the job of concealer plus color corrector. So I don't need to apply three products like a color corrector, then a concealer and then a highlighter. So it does the job of two products. You can use any concealer of your choice. To set my face and eyes, I'm using this Lakme 9 to 5 compact, and using a buffing brush I'm just applying it on my eyes so that the concealer is set and it does not crease over time. As this is a beginner's makeup look, so I'm using this sellotape technique to apply my eyeshadow. If you are okay with applying your eyeshadow without this, then you can definitely go. Now I'm using this shade, contour shade from the Maybelline contour palette as a transition shade. It is a very light color. I'm using it even very lightly because I don't want to overload my eyes with a lot of colors. Now I am taking this rose gold shade from Maybelline nudes palette on a flat brush and I'm applying it all over my eyelids. Instead of brushing your eyelids, you must pat the brush with the eyeshadow on your eyelids because that will give more pigmentation to your eyeshadow. Now I am using this green shade on the same brush and applying it on the outer corners of my eyelid. Now using a blending brush, I am blending all the colors in. As I have not used very dark and pigmented colors, I just need a light blending. As an eyeliner and as a kajal, I am using this Colorbar Just Smoky Eye pencil. This has two sides. One side has the pencil and the other side has a smudger. I'm applying a very thin liner, but that is your choice. If you want, you can go with some winged liner or a thick liner. Using this smudger, I'm just smudging out the eyeliner. If you want, you can keep it that way only. I'm applying the same kajal pencil on my lower and upper waterline. Now just remove the sellotape and brush out any excess fallout of the eyeshadow or your liner. Using the highlighter shade from the eyeshadow palette, I'm just taking it on a very round small brush and I will apply it on the inner corners of my eyes. This will make your eyes look more open and bright. For mascara, I'm using this Maybelline Hypercurl Volume Express mascara and I'm not using any eyelash curler tool, but if you want, you can use this. Now I'm using Lakme Absolute Concealer just to highlight my under eyes. For my eyebrows, I am just brushing the eyebrows in the natural shape. To fill in the gaps, I am using Maybelline eyebrow pencil. If you want, you can use powder eyebrow products also. I am not going very heavy with my eyebrows, but if you want very dark or heavy eyebrows, then you can definitely use a little more product, but always start applying a little product so that you can build it up later. Again, brush your eyebrows so that everything is mixed. So from Maybelline Master Contour Palette, I'm mixing both the contour and blush shades and just applying it as a contour and blush together. Because it is a daytime look plus it is a beginner's look, so I don't prefer applying a very heavy contour or blush. For highlighting purpose, I am not using any glitter highlighter. I am just using the same Lakme Absolute Concealer because it is a lighter shade than my skin tone, so it does the job of a highlighter. So I'm using this Lakme Enrich lip crayon as a lip liner. This will make sure that my lipstick stays for a longer time. Even if I eat or drink something, there is a hint of color on my lips. Over this, I'm using Colorbar liquid lipstick. So this is the finished look. I hope this was helpful for you. If you liked it, then do share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. You can also follow me on my social medias. The link will be in the description box. So till my next video, take care and bye bye.